Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to add multiple accounts in Rocket Money. Yes, Rocket Money allows you to connect multiple bank accounts, credit cards, and even accounts from different financial institutions to the same profile. So actually guys, first you will need just to open the Rocket Money app and then just go below right here to this section, and here you can select an institution on the frequently linked, or you can just go and search all institutions here. So you can use the search bar, and here you will need just search for the bank, credit union, or credit card user you want to add, and just tap and sign in with that institution's online banking credentials, and repeat the process for each additional institution you want to connect. So if you have multiple checking and saving, loan or credit card accounts at the same bank, and if they use the same login credentials, just open the existing bank connector or connection under or right here, right? So let's open this one, for example, and choose add account or log into my account to include any missing sub accounts, right? And if they use different login credentials, for example a spouse's account or a separate business login, you will need, for example, to go to the specific institution. So let's say it's Chase for me, so I will need just to enter or to tap it once and enter my credentials for one account, and then just redo it to the other one, right? So after adding multiple accounts, the Rocket Money combines data from all linked accounts into one dashboard, allowing you to track, spend, and close all accounts, monitor subscriptions, and view balances in one place, and also create budgets based on your total financial. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.